Hi, Honors World History. Today we're looking at getting logged into the Big History Project website. You will be using it for a couple of different things through this course. So I would like for you to please get logged in to this particular page. Okay, so you're going to go right here to school.bighistoryproject.com. All right, so make sure that you go to this page right on up here. You really can just put in bighistoryproject.com. It'll take you directly to this page, okay? When you see the beautiful elephants, okay, you're going to go right here to join your class, okay? Join your class. It will then prompt you for a code, okay? And let me get over to my page right here. The reason why I'm already logged in and cannot show you what it will prompt you is because you need this code to get in, okay? 3VU 52B. That's 3VU 52B, okay? Once you get in, the only thing I'm having you do today is the survey, okay? So I have already come in through my console here, and I've actually assigned for you this student survey wave 1. It should pop up on your console for you to take. Please let me know if you have any questions, since this is the first time that I've ever had to assign something on here. I do not know how well this will work. Bear with me, all right? It's good practice for us as we come up on our first writing assignment, which is going to be happening very soon, okay? So please, 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 let me know if you have any questions. If this is working, if it's not working, I completely understand. I will figure it out on my end. It's the first time I've ever had to do something like this virtually or otherwise. So bear with me and let's do this together, okay? Thank you so much, everybody, and good luck.